Jordan Llewellyn. I'm the welding instructor at Gibson Tech Center here. I'm actually an alumni of Gibson Tech. I went to Reed Springs, graduated from there. I went out into the welding field, went to Missouri Welding Institute. In here, students will learn stick, MIG, and TIG. I also learn a little bit about torch cutting, plasma arc cutting, all that stuff, some fit up, some pipe work. I like to get the students involved. They all have their own individual booths, so I can be one-on-one with each student as I make my rounds through the shop. This program will get a student to an entry-level position in the welding field itself, depending on how they do in here and progress.
My name is Matt Palmer, and I'm from Branson High School. I came in here last year as a junior, first year junior, and I never picked up a stick welder at all, and so that was kind of fun for me to learn and really get down, the basics of running a bead and being a knife. So learning new things and learning how to overcome obstacles and achieve new challenges, stuff like that. I didn't really know what I was wanting to do after high school and where I wanted to go to college. So I was talking with my dad about it, and he said that with welding there's a whole bunch of career opportunities and different paths that you can take. So I love it here. I've had a really great experience with the instructor and the other students here. Haven't really had any problems. I'd say the overall experience is great. With hands-on learning, and the one-on-one time with the instructor is really great too. Really fun class. As long as you're doing your work, being respectful, being on time, it's pretty chill class to be in. It can be stressful at times with starting a new position. I know it was for me, but I would recommend this class because the career opportunities for welding is really endless.
My name is Joshua Swift, and I'm from Branson High School. I heard about the program from some of the kids in ROTC at Branson High School. I've been kind of interested in it mainly just because I think welding's a pretty useful life skill. I thought it was something that'd be pretty useful for me to learn. So what I was trying to get out of the program, I feel like I've gotten out of pretty well. I've learned a lot about welding and just generally how to weld. I would definitely recommend the class to other students. I mean, like I said, this is a great program we have here. I think people can learn a lot about welding or any other stuff.
I'm Madison, and I'm from Branson High School. I heard about VOTEC from my older brother and just my friends who have come to the school previous years before I graduated. There's not a lot of females out there, and I'm a hands-on learner, and I thought it would be a mix of both, and I just enjoy being out here and getting my hands dirty. I definitely think that this class is something that if you're interested in getting your hands dirty and being in just the work field with, it's definitely fun and it's interesting.
And I'm going to go to the link. I heard about the program from a former student at Upper Bucks. He said it was a good program for me to be in. I'd say the experiences I had in the program have been pretty great. Everybody around here helps you out. I would recommend the class to other students because it's a life experience you don't get from your sending school. It's something you get to do with hands-on and just a great experience.
My name is Jared Eaton, and I'm from Reed Springs High School. I heard about the program from my sister's boyfriend because he said he told me to get into welding, and he said that if I'm going to get into welding, then it's probably a good idea that I come here so I get prior experience before actually going. What made me interested in the program was getting told that I get a lot of experience before actually going out into the field, which is really good. The favorite part about the class is doing this hands-on learning, rather than sitting in front of a desk writing in a textbook all day. I would most definitely recommend this class to other students because it's just, you don't really get to do stuff like this in high school normally, and it's good to go out and get as much hands-on learning as you can.
I'm Sifford. I go to Reed Spring High School. I heard about this program through upperclassmen last year or so, saying what a great program it was and money to be had in this, so I decided to join it. I love it. I learn a lot every day. I come in, I work. I'm ready to get out to the field and make some money doing it. Before I started, I had no idea what I was doing. I've never welded a thing in my life. Came in, Blue Allen helped me. I believe I'm pretty decent at it now. My favorite part about this class is the hands-on learning. Every day we're in here in the shop, unless it's the English or math day. 90% of the time we're in here working. We come in, we get dressed, and get after it. I would 100% recommend this class to other students. I mean, it's a great 3 hours. You get a lot out of it. I mean, it's just an all-around great trade to know.
I'm Ryan Thomas, and I am from Reed Spring. I've looked at many different jobs, and welding kind of struck my interest on like something I wanted to do as a career. My experience so far has been really good. This is my second year. I've learned a lot more than what I would have imagined I would have learned in Gibson Tech. And there's so many different benefits to being in Gibson Tech, and this class has really helped me out a lot. My favorite part about the class is definitely hanging out with everyone in here, making new friends, and not only while making new friends, but get to learn what you need to do for your jobs in the future.